Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a compassionate young woman named Lily. She had always been deeply moved by the plight of homeless individuals in her community. Every night, as she returned home from work, she couldn't help but notice the people huddled in doorways, searching for warmth and food. Their eyes mirrored the pain and hardships they faced each day. Driven by her empathetic heart, Lily made a life-changing decision. She decided to become a volunteer at the local homeless shelter. She believed that by dedicating her time and effort, she could make a difference in the lives of those less fortunate. With eager anticipation, Lily walked into the shelter on her first day. She was greeted by a warm smile from Sarah, the shelter's coordinator. Sarah explained the daily routine and the various tasks volunteers could engage in. Lily was assigned to the meal service team, responsible for preparing and serving nourishing meals to the shelter's residents. As Lily stepped into the bustling kitchen, she was greeted by a whirlwind of activity. There were pots bubbling, vegetables being chopped, and the savory aroma of spices filling the air. She joined a group of dedicated volunteers who were passionately preparing meals for the evening. As time went on, Lily's enthusiasm and dedication shone through her work. She spent hours chopping vegetables, stirring pots, and arranging plates with love and care. Her infectious smile and kind words brought comfort to the people she served. Many of them started looking forward to her warm presence each evening. But Lily's impact didn't stop at serving meals. She recognized that the residents needed more than just food. They needed a sense of belonging, support, and hope. She spent her free time engaging in conversations with them, listening to their stories, and offering words of encouragement. One day, Lily met a man named Michael, who had been homeless for several years. Michael had lost all hope and believed that life had nothing more to offer him. Lily sat with him, patiently listening to his struggles and dreams. She shared stories of others who had overcome adversity and rebuilt their lives. She spoke about the power of resilience, determination, and the possibility of finding happiness again. Moved by Lily's words, Michael began to see a glimmer of hope. He started attending the shelter's counseling sessions, seeking assistance in finding a job and a place to live. Lily continued to support him throughout his journey, celebrating each small victory along the way. As time passed, Lily's efforts began to bear fruit. She witnessed firsthand the transformative power of kindness and compassion. Many of the shelter's residents found solace and inspiration through her unwavering dedication. Some even managed to turn their lives around, finding stable jobs and permanent housing. Lily's story of compassion and hope spread throughout the community. Inspired by her example, more people started volunteering at the shelter, offering their time, resources, and skills. The shelter became a place of refuge, not only providing physical necessities but also fostering a sense of community and empowerment. Lily's journey as a homeless shelter volunteer taught her that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a profound impact on the lives of others. She realized that it was not just about serving meals. It was about restoring dignity, providing support, and igniting the spark of hope in the hearts of those who had lost their way. And so, with each passing day, Lily continued to be a beacon of light for the homeless community. Her dedication, compassion, and unwavering belief in the human spirit created a ripple effect that touched the lives of countless individuals. Through her efforts, she showed the world that a single person can make a difference, and that together, we can create a society where everyone has a chance to thrive and find their way back home.